That's the noise. Ouch. First step is you're going to want to get that battery disconnected. Just disconnect the positive. So helpful. Just remove that front left tire. Oh man, so helpful. Then you can get in there and you can see the starter. Once you identify them, front left. So important. Here's another image. That's what you see through the tire. Now you're ready to start getting into the meat of things. And first thing you're going to want to do is take off the starter connector, as you can see right here, and that's what controls the starter. So you're going to have to pull back some cables and cords and reach in there. It's going to be on the right side of the engine. So once you get the connector off, it just unclips. Then you're going to need to unbolt the power wire to it. So that'll unbolt. So you've got this disconnected, this unbolted, and then you're going to need to remove 2 bolts on the starter. And one will be on towards the front of the vehicle, and one you're going to have to get underneath and get it from the other side. And don't confuse it with some bolts that are on the transmission. And that's what the hole looks like once you got it out of there. Once you have everything disconnected, you can pull the starter out, get it out of there, and then get the other new one in. And then you're going to want to kind of do it in the reverse order, as far as rebolt it, and then connect the power, and then connect the control wire. And hopefully you're all done. Get that tire back on, reconnect your battery, and you should be all good. Now you got your old starter and you're done. Good to go. Thanks for watching.